You create Tableau dashboards and visualizations inside of workbooks. Create a new workbook. Choose whether to connect to data sources on this site, upload files from your computer, connect to on-premises and cloud data sources, or make use of the dashboard starters. To build the Executive Summary dashboard, click on Files and upload the sample Superstore file from the location where you saved it on your computer. The data source page appears. The left pane shows that the sample Superstore spreadsheet consists of 3 worksheets and 3 named ranges. Drag the orders table to the canvas. If you make a mistake at any point, click the Undo button at the top left. Below the canvas is the data grid. Click on Update Now to display the first 1,000 rows of data from the orders table. Tableau automatically identifies the data type of each column. For geographic fields, Tableau automatically identifies the geographic role. Drag the Returns table onto the canvas to the right of the Orders table. The Edit Relationships window appears. Relationships define how tables relate to one another. Relationships dynamically adjust the SQL join type applied between tables based on the fields used in your visualizations. You relate tables based on common fields. Here, the order ID is the common field. Additional performance option settings are available. For now, keep the default settings and close the Edit Relationships window. On the canvas, the noodle represents the relationship between the tables. Hover over the noodle to display a summary of the relationship. Double-click on the noodle to reopen the Edit Relationships window as needed. Rename the data source as Sample Superstore. You have now finished creating a Tableau data source. At the bottom left, click on Sheet 1 to proceed. From the File menu, select Save As. Name the workbook Executive Overview and save it in the default project.